Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to my channel. Issue might be that your handbrake or parking brake is not indicating that it's on. So we'll show you what the switch kind of looks like. Well, at least the one in the Chrysler Sebring or Chrysler 200 should be similar in probably most vehicles. In this car, it's a very simple switch. We'll show you how to check it and see if this is your issue or not. So the symptom will be that this does not light up when you put your handbrake on. So I've got the console out. I'll put a link at the very end of the video as to how I took all the console apart if you have the same kind of car. The switch is pretty simple. Just a bent, you see how it works. It just makes contact when you pull the handbrake all the way up. I see somebody's already fiddled with this. They've got a different wire on here, but a different connector. But anyway, it should be something similar. You could always try and short that out like this with the key on and get somebody to see if the light comes on when you do that. I got it to blink doing that. Now this car, it's 8 millimeters. There's just one bolt in here. Comes off real easy. If you found that by grounding out that wire, the light comes on, then it's the switch. Now maybe you can align it a little better. So as you see, there's nothing really to break here. Unless this one piece is busted right off. But so yeah. So if this piece is missing, I guess. Because if it's making proper ground like that, unless it bent somehow. Yeah. But like I say, there's not too much to this. We'll put it back in. And it's got a little piece there to align it. Little tab. So maybe that's the thing too. Maybe somehow it's loosened and it just slipped down so it can't make contact. Although I would think if that happened, the light would be on all the time. Until you know how to put it back on. Snug it up. Put the wire back on. If you've got a new switch, and it should work. And really the only way you know that the switch is not working is if it worked by grounding it out, the wire, and otherwise this isn't working, then you need to switch. Something else we'll quickly talk about too, maybe this light is always on. Well, that's not the switch's fault, possibly. It could be that you are low on brake fluid. Maybe check in here. You'll see on this one, it tells you that the brake fluid's supposed to be full, is basically right there. If you take that off, I can see it's that high. If it was lower, this rubber plunger probably would be sticking out a lot more too. So that's something else you can check. If for some reason that light will not go out, it's probably this problem. There you go. So that's going to do it for the video. Pretty easy, huh? Well, maybe not necessarily, but shop's going to charge you to go through the same amount of work, and you know what they're going to charge. It's going to take them, well, 45 minutes, probably an hour at least. What's that going to cost you? If you like this video, why not give me the thumbs up? You can subscribe down in the corner as always. And don't forget to check out some of our playlists here too. We'll also put at the very end of the video a way that you can see how to take the console out if you have this exact kind of car. Because to get at it, obviously, there's a little more to it than it looks like. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying, you take care, bye-bye for now. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. handbrake or parking brake lever doesn't seem to be lightening up.